bathi uJulius Malema leader yama-EFF angayi ejele wena ucabanga ini?
Mina into engicabangayo ukuthi zonke lezi nje lezi mazabe zejele ziboshwe. uJulius Malema if ever bekadubule someone kusho ukuthi bekumele ukuthi ayebo ngoba uyi-South African. Ubhuti abela angeke akhulume nento ayikhulumayo. uJulius Malema uthanda i-corruption and uthanda nokumesapha i-South Africa. Imagine if ever uJulius Malema bekayi-president bese yoba njani? Futhi into engizona ngoJulius Malema wabhayisisa uJacob Zuma. Kunini kumanje siyahlupheka ngasikhathi uJacob Zuma yi-president bese ngahlupheki. Ngiyabonga kakhulu sisithabile.
Konke igqitha impundu endodeni. Indoda iyaka nalo ndibiseyithethe bayinikwa impundu. Yonke ingathengisa nefamily yayo impundu. Bayincinci asiyona chaka. Kodwa umuntu vele zimdome. Hey,
No, lo mama uyangisokolisa lo mama. Leg protection heavy le bafana bami. Mama uyangisokolisa. Uyangisokolisa. Sobuya ngo12 futhi. Ay no mama no angeke sizwane. Ngeke sizwane. Angithandi lento yenzayo. Ijarit lo muntu uyalihlonipha, ungihloniphi mama. Ungihloniphi.
Kanti angithi ngiyakushiya ukuthi ngabizwa kakhulu ngibuya manje. Uphiwe i-chance ukuthi ukhiye but today
Cela ungene ngikhiye.
elisoba stand.
Ku-L manje abantu balele yabona izinto zabantu
Akunyama lo sheding
Eli for the conference.
Ngithanda lento yathatha key gate sekumsebenzi wakho.
Okay, bastande.
Ngalungaphindi ungivuke.
Bengifake ikithe iPhone ebaninhle kanjani ukuthi ugobsi.
Ungasangivuki. Bheka manje ngivuka ngamabox manje. Vuka ngamabox. Kuba amastende kunzima abantu balele bheka. I-wrong lento ayenzayo lo mama uyangikwadisa.
Sumila kaloku.
Mama ndio chomi yako. Hamba. Manyani. Nangu. Mama nangu. Nangu uyandibiza masambe. Anazi. Na mama. Nangu mama nasuntsala. Saya. Let's Malayas. Let's Malayas. Mama. Fire!
Shaimim Berget, les astina paradigmen Berget. Pa! Oui, de la c'est une room, le vele papi pata de vele long, tu vois, et shintara bli by a joint. Scanas in terms of Saki. Strivana, when I go, was Strivana, main bedroom.
Itenda nawuhlisa umqhelo lewe. Seke nayibona kuziphatana ke mina ke bodybuilders abathanda mass egroove.
Hayibo! Yawo sekubeni. Asabe kulela siyavuka kuthiwa siyabizwe insizweni kanti ayisapheli inzoni insizwa. Namumgqibelo sibizwe siyakhona. Nomkhulu bashona abayishiya insizwa. Kanti ayisapheli. Hayibo!
Ay ngapele ke mama.
No, ushap.
Awusaphi ipedizo.
Aku right ngeke. No, anje right ngeke.
Hayi kushap Brian.
Ikhendelele ke manje.
Akho ngxaki. Akho ngxaki. Lo ndiyeke Brian.
Imali.
Ayishaphi imali. Yeka Brian mayeka ngeke muzalo. Hayi kushap.
Ngumxhosa le brand abakuthiwani.
Brian right no.
Ayingaphele ke manje.
No kushap. Right.
AbaZulu bathi bra wami. AbaXhosa bathi bra yami. Ne? I hope I'm correct.
What is this? Whoa, this one. It's not me, man.
Adai maneda. Wabona uchuka namu na kesa ni.
Ikhani la kaSpa.
Mara setjhaba sa rona ma. Wa re tla be go tsene tso sia. Ere di bai ke no se
After all, computers crash, people die, relationships fall apart. The best we can do is breathe and reboot.
There must have been an angel by my side.
We are cruising nicely.
Dilizwa ngudabisa lo uthi nenhloko eboqoboqo irhasi lenemali ma wena into endizawuyenza bendizokubona apha kuwini ngoba ingxaki yami ndikuthanda ithini kuwe then okwesibini ndifuna ukubheja ndanjile kuwe kule veki zayo izabe ngolwesithathu ndizayo eTamni ngolesine ndifuna ube ulapha ndikubheje ngento ezimandi ma ngelaa nto kuthiwa yidatha eyemali enkulu endingazuxele yamali ndithini kuwe bye-bye.
Konje wathi ubani isibongo?
Bahade.
Hawu ke.
Qondise
kahle. Sibezokubiza kanjalo ke
sithi. Ngoba izinto ziyafika idlule. Uma wacishe wangibulala, ngibulalela iqhude lakhe leli. Wangishaya utshwala futhi iqhude lakhe. Buka nje leli qhude manje alisenaveli. Into singayibulala nje ngabe indaba zalutho. Leli iqhude futhi mawungalazi leli qhude leli nalezi ezayidlala lapha kuyilethisa yini lapha kwi-dressing table noma yini izinja
ziyathanda uhamba nga-3 ezazinja
bonge kumthinta lama qhude nalezinja umadoda
Ufuna unginikhombisa inkomo yami.
Yes! Ungalfa no-Omega, ukwaqala ngibheka yonke into sivela ngawe, akukho okwenzeka ongaveli ngawe. Jokwaphotha, chekhere bosha, in the name of Jesus.
Namhlanje ngifuna nje ukunikhombisa inkomo yami.
Uzanda, iphumile emgongweni manje. Look at this.
Ngibona kusuku right ukuthi nginikhombisa inkomo yami. Yebo?
Hawu, we babo. Nangu umuntu bo.
Yabona ukuthi dakiwe. Ididi nje lelo. Ivale mfana hey. Ngiyakutshela nje. Hello guys. Hello. You better have a nice time because it's very, very hot today. Have the best time ever in your life. Bawa indigide.
Ngathi abathreateniswa. You better have a nice time. Feels like a threat.
Jonga driver sishiya pe shop bazasela pe shop bon. Vele sishiya pe shop.
Ande mvumene futhi driver man. Wana ndo wa driver. Siyavana. Futhi driver. Daddy baby mna wa driver.
Daddy baby.
Iyangichaza into yaseKapa. Xa kusetyenzwa funeka abantu bagadwe. Asihleli nje kweli Kapa bethu nako basingela choice yabo. Abantu bayasebenza nje bagadwe ke-R5 uNtontoni. Hayi cha le ndawo iyangichaza le hayi. iCape Town hayi.
Malini Tambi.
Ngithi ngiyazama izinto zami ngikanganga. Bangisapaquza ngiyathema uJolisa mhlawumbe uyoganga.
At least uyahlafuna mfethu. Ah, nezana. Ala. Damn.
Couple of days ago, I was sitting on my toilet in the show through my window. I'm not a gangster. I was sitting on the toilet level number 2 and I have to slide. I mean, is that...
Why in a convention booth? A kitchen.
My friend, you say how much is it? How much?
55. Oh. Manje uneshoyo ukuthi lento iyiqiniso ngoba phela khona amadoda.
Abantu bangichazelile. Ngaze ngahamba ngaze ngazofika la. Ngisuka lapha mina ePrime Hotel. Ngathi kwathiwa la kudayisa inkomo.
Manje wena inkomo uneshoyo ukuthi uzoyithola la eCCI.
Ngiyifuna.
Ubani lo phethe kunenkomo ethola edayisa eCCI?
Hayi dayisa.
Ayikaze dayisa inkomo eCCI inomsebenzi cha.
What did you study? Communication. How old are you? 17. So you are looking for work now?
I am.
Yeah, you must keep searching.
Oh.
Let us not mask our difficulties.
You must keep searching.
Let us not tell our people lies. Let us tell it as it is. Unemployment is 41% and it includes people who are discouraged.
Let's leave out this expanded explanation of unemployment in the country, because we don't know what those people are doing.
But who decide not to work? There are homemakers there who prefer not to work. There are people who have not actively gone to seek an employment. So you cannot even include those people. If you put that 9%, it means you are also putting people who prefer. There are housewives, housemen. Husbands.
I don't know if this committee should now spit in those people's faces and say, yeah, Lena, you were unemployed and now you are discouraged and so on, and we no longer count you. No, Chair, I don't think it's right. I don't think it's right if those people are listening now at home that we are about to say that they don't matter, they should not be in that statistic, they should not be part of the problem that needs to be solved. The problem that needs to be solved is a 41% problem, Chair. It's not less than 41%. And if we reduce it, because we don't want to make it look like a crisis, even at 32%, it's a crisis.
For no, informal sector is not a crisis. It's not. That is not there. There's no crisis in this country.
There's no crisis.
So manje kumele kwenziwe njani
What?
kahle kahle ngokwakho? Kuphume ikore ngena umuntu. Ilo esikudingayo.
Lucas, dat is allemaal goed eigenlijk.
Daar kom ik aan. Daar kom ik aan. Daar kom ik. Kan jij me niet vallen?
Dan is jij zijn mond.
Jij gaat gelijk. Nou staan ze hier. Kijk, hij goede ding. Nee, wat dat gaat niet. Heb je kleren dat zopen? Trek je goed. Daar moet de hoes in de lijn. Welkom Mr. Jackson. Kijk op.
Van die kop kan.
Kijk hier. Wacht, kijk.
Einfach.
Deze was zo maar.
Goed, ze hele week wacht.
Hier kom ik aan. Zwem. Zwem, babies. Daar gaat hij staan. Jij kijkt nog. Voor wat kijk jij? Klam. Klam. Daar loop je naar.
On the floor.
Makunokuthi angifakwanga kwi-learnership ngicela i-CV yami. I-CV yami ngiyenze ngemali baba umnisi, i-CV yami ngiyenze ngemali. Bengivele vele ngikulindele ukuthi ngeke ngifakwe kwi-learnership. Ngiyicela i-CV yami, ngiye kobona kumashonisa ngiyokwenza leyo CV. Ngiyayidinga i-CV yami. Otherwise ngizobhonya umuntu mina ngeyami i-CV. Ngicela i-CV yami mawunokuthi angifakwanga kwi-learnership. Eyami i-CV ngiyacela ingibuyele ngoba ngizobhonya umuntu if ingangibuyelanga i-CV ekubeni ngingafakwanga kwi-learnership. Njengoba singekho nje egroupini kuyacaca ukuthi asifakwanga kwi-learnership. Ngicela i-CV yami-ke ingibuyele because ngiyenze ngo-24 rand eyami i-CV. Ngiyayicela otherwise ngizonyathela umuntu.
Hayi mhlobo. Bra, you'll never go professional. Ngala hlobo. Isoka is all about teamwork kaloku. Xa udlalela hlobo wedwa bandisa igame wayibo. Aw. Hey guys, as I'm shooting this video ayisandlumi lenja. This is a joke bafethu benthetha ngayo. Ayisandlumi is very active. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu, and if you see me for the first time, kamla mnungu Amani. Play channel, I'm bringing you the best of local content. So if that's what you're into, make sure that you do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.